My name is Amin Al-Hasham, and I'm a staff attorney and regional director of the Texas Civil Rights Project Houston office. Texas Civil Rights Project was formed 20 years ago because of a need for community-based organizing in Texas. It started with the farm workers down in South Texas who were being used and abused by a lot of the large agricultural companies. And because a lot of them were immigrants, they didn't have the bargaining power of the large corporations. Texas Civil Rights Project really started down in the fields, organizing the farm workers so that they collectively would have a greater voice to advocate for their rights. Since then, it's grown into a statewide campaign that takes on issues from labor rights to employment rights to disability rights to civil rights, just a vast number of issues that everyday Texans always need help with. TCRP also conducts a program under the Violence Against Women's Act and provides social and legal services to low and moderate income victims of domestic violence. Houston, Texas is #1 in the country as far as income discrepancy is concerned. We have the richest of the rich and the poorest of the poor here. Whenever you have the great income discrepancy, you have issues with access to resources. And so what we do, we try to provide access to the courts for those who would otherwise not have access to legal remedies, and educate people through Know Your Rights educations to let them know that in certain instances that they have legal rights. And a lot of times it's all about educating people about what those rights are so that they know that there are actions that they can take. Because of the nature of our funding, we are a pro bono civil litigation organization. Our clients come to us in a number of ways, through direct calls, through referrals. But at the end of the day, no matter what we do, whether we just investigate the case, whether we refer it out, whether we consult, whether we file the lawsuit, whether we achieve a successful outcome, we never charge our clients for any of the services. The fundamental core principle is always a fight for the advancement of human rights. With your help, we can continue to provide access to basic legal resources to folks who otherwise wouldn't have that access.